In today's video, I'll show you how to create a SuiteDash dashboard specifically for team collaboration. SuiteDash is a powerful tool that offers a variety of features to streamline your team's workflow, but is it the best choice for the job? Stay tuned until the end, where I'll not only give you a step-by-step guide, but also reveal some powerful alternatives that could be better for your needs, and I've got exclusive trial offers you won't find anywhere else. So, let's dive right into creating a SuiteDash dashboard for team collaboration. First things first, setting up a project. You can do this by navigating to the Dashboard tab and selecting Create New Project. This allows you to customize everything from the project name to specific tasks that need to be tracked. It's straightforward, but sometimes the interface can feel a bit too cluttered, especially if you're new to SuiteDash. That's something to keep in mind. Next, you'll want to assign roles within the dashboard. With SuiteDash, team collaboration really starts to shine when you assign roles to your team members. Go to the Users section and create roles such as Admin, Team Member, and Viewer. This ensures that everyone has the correct level of access to the project. However, some users report that role management can get confusing if you have a large team, so it's something to be mindful of when scaling your team. The third thing to focus on is task management. Once your project is set up and roles are assigned, creating tasks is the next step. In SuiteDash, tasks can be categorized and tagged, which is useful for sorting and prioritizing. But here's where it falls short. While it offers basic task management, it lacks deeper project tracking tools like Gantt charts that would make visualizing timelines easier. Moving on to the fourth thing, communication within the platform. SuiteDash does have built-in messaging and commenting features that allow your team to communicate directly within the dashboard. This can be a huge time saver since everything stays in one place. However, the messaging system feels a bit dated and lacks integrations with popular communication tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, which could help if your team relies on those platforms. The fifth thing you need to know is about the reporting and analytics capabilities. SuiteDash does offer some basic reporting tools that let you track tasks, deadlines, and team performance. But in terms of advanced analytics and custom reports, you might find SuiteDash a bit lacking compared to some other project management tools on the market. Lastly, let's talk about integration. SuiteDash does offer some integrations with apps like Google Calendar, MailChimp, and QuickBooks, but it's not as extensive as some competitors. If you're looking for a tool that can seamlessly integrate with a variety of other apps, you may feel limited here. This is definitely a big consideration when you're choosing the right software for your team. Now, after covering SuiteDash, let's talk about the competition. There are some strong alternatives for team collaboration, and I think it's important to mention them. One tool that really stands out is Monday.com. It has a much cleaner interface, stronger project tracking features, and a better communication system. Plus, its integrations are far more robust, which makes it easier to connect with the tools your team already uses. Now, before I wrap up, here's something important. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to SuiteDash, but I also recommend checking out Monday.com for better results in the context of team collaboration. You'll get access to their free trial and some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while SuiteDash is a solid tool, it's always good to explore the best options out there. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the links in the description for your free trials.